review.
Okay guys, so this is going to be very fast. So let's start. Just wait a bit, okay? I'm going to just go sleep now. Oh no, I cannot sleep. I'm on sleep. Oh yeah, this is the time right now. Oh yeah. Oh look, some people. Time to zoom in. Oh wait, that's 6. You can only zoom 6? That's bad. Well, anyways, I'm just gonna go. Oh wait, I forgot. Okay,
You always
this is
start.
time. Okay, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Okay, let's go. I'll just look at the time right now before I wait.
Not start yet.
What's outside? Oh yes,
One.
chairs. Now, anyways, how to wait? Now, where is it? Where is it? Oh, there we go. Why is the 0? I waited for a long time. Womp womp. This is going to be a very long time, but I'm bad at holding it. Wow. I think it started. Okay, it's starting. Started, guys. Yes, it's starting. Took it long enough. So guys, yeah, you know, hi. It's me, your cool dude. Hey, I'm holding it, not you holding it, lol. Okay, 0 kilometers per hour right now, aka 0 miles per hour. Lol. Oh my god, this is so hot. Wait a minute, is this a statue or something? Man, this is taking so this is gonna take a very
เรากำลังมานั่ง
very
ขบวน
long
รถไฟ
time.
แมคเลน
Wow.
ขบวนรถ
It's
ไฟ
gonna take us
จะสตาร์ทการเดินทางที่ 15.00 น.
Oh,
เราจะมาจับความเร็ว
starting. Yes.
เราจะมาจำกัดความเร็วนะครับ
11, 12. Yes, it's starting. Nice.
ว่าใช้เวลาสูงสุดกี่กิโลเมตรต่อชั่วโมง
Okay, 36. It's going. Welcome to outside. Ooh, look, this car. Oh my god. 69. Yes, go. Okay.
69 in only less than 1 minute. You see?
You are blocking my way. You are blocking my way. Thank you. Anyways. Look at the speed. It's only already 115. Why oh wait, I'm gonna just go to just outside. A bit. Have to look outside. Whoop, see that? The trees. Yes, the trees are good. Okay, anyways, I'm back now. 100. Please, 62, 63, 64. 169, let's go! Okay.
You see? 180 in 1 minute. You see? Very
I see
fast. 200 kilometers in 1 minute only.
Whoa. 5 foot 6. Nice. And we're not even halfway. Nah, just kidding. Not halfway. Just kidding again. Well, anyways, I'm gonna set this on YouTube. So if you like it, oh yeah, please like and subscribe.
You see? Speed is 300 in 2 minutes.
I'm not gonna sponsor like news people because I'm cool. So yeah, that's gonna be. Wait, the maximum is 301 kilometers per hour. That's very fast, you know.
do the 300 in 10 minutes, 2 minutes.
301. Why are 301? It's 200. Only 200? That would be so cool. But 300. Wait, just look how fast it is.
ไม่มีอย่างนี้นะไม่ไหวที่เยอรมันไม่ไหวยิ่งแบบ
So fast, right? Yeah. Anyways, time to continue. What
Go.
happened?
What happened?
Oh, nice.
Yeah. คงวิ่ง300แหละไปเรื่อย
Well,
300 แล้วก็
by
นิ่
the
ง
way,
ดี
first better 25
แม่นึกว่าจะได้เร็วสักประมาณ 400 จะได้นั่งดูข้างทางว่าจะทันไหม
So I'm gonna stop at 6:30. Yeah, 6 minutes and 30
ไม่จำ
seconds.
เป็นต้องทำสปีด
So
ให้มันเย
in
อะ
the last 20 seconds,